All right, so we're being asked when will this function have a function value of 0.2. So in order to do that, we just need to set the g of x equal to 0.2. So my equation is 0.2 is equal to 2.5 times 5 to the t plus 3. My first move whenever I'm solving exponential equations like this is to try and isolate that base if I can. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2.5 and 5 to the t plus 3 is equal to 0.2 over 2.5. I don't really like that fraction, but I'm just going to let it be because I can let my calculator deal with it. Now I've got the base 5 is isolated, so I can go ahead and take a log of both sides. So I'll can use either the natural log or common log. I'm going to use the natural log here. Natural log of 0.2 over 2.5 is equal to the natural log of 5 to the t plus 3. Now, the whole goal in taking the log here is to use the power rule for logarithms. That means we can bring this t plus 3 out in front. So the natural log of 0.2 over 2.5 is going to be equal to t plus 3 times the natural log of 5. I'll now divide both sides by the natural log of 5. So now I've got t plus 3 is equal to the natural log 0.2 over 2.5 divided by the natural log of 5. And I just need to subtract 3 from both sides. So now that's gone. So my t value is natural log over another natural log. That's common with these, is you're going to have a ratio of logarithms. And you got this here. Before I circle it though, I want to actually get a decimal approximation. That's what I'm going to be looking for on the test, is a decimal approximation for these. So the natural log of 0.2 divided by 2.5, close parenthesis, divide that by natural log of 5, and then subtract 3. I've got negative 4.5693. So I feel pretty good about this, but I don't actually know if that's a reasonable number. I didn't stop and think at the beginning if it was reasonable. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to actually plug in and calculate g of this negative 4.5693 and see what it comes out to be. So 2.5 times 5 to the negative 4.5693. 5693 minus, no, plus 3. Sorry, I ran out of room here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into my calculator, see what I get. 2.5 times 5 raised to the negative 4.5693 plus 3. That's all happening up in the exponent. And I got the answer out of my calculator, 0.200400754, and so on. It's going to keep going. And the reason is I had to round this number here, so it's giving me a number though that's very close to that 0.2, and so I know that I've done it right. So I'm feeling really good about this answer. If you go ahead and do that, then you'll know. You won't have to wonder whether you got the right answer. You'll just be able to confidently know that you did.